Hi guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of buffering on the application of Facebook. You will go to settings. Here in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search about Facebook and you can click here. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Facebook. Here you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.